Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Erica, Love Things Simple. So guys, tell me why the tomatoes that I grow in my garden this year without pesticide and just a little bit of fertilizer when they just start growing look so completely different from the one that we buy in the store. Look at the cucumber. Different from the one that we buy in the store. Why? Hold on guys, I'm going to show you the color of the tomato, the inside of the tomato that I grow in my garden, different from the one that we bought in the store. Hold on guys, hold on. Yes guys, look at the color of the tomato that I grow in my garden. Completely different from store-bought tomato. So when we buy store-bought tomato, what are we eating? Because this is fully ripe. Let me bring the camera down so you could see. Fully ripe. So what's the difference? This is so different. There is no pesticide on this. There's a little bit of fertilizer when I just planted them. I haven't done that lately. All is on these tomato is water. Rain water. Not even water from the pipe. Rain water. Look at this. Completely different. Look, guys. Look. Completely different from the one that we bought in the store. Guys, if we can plant our own stuff, try to plant your own stuff if you have the land and the space to plant your own stuff. I'm so sorry I can't do that because I only can plant in the summertime. See? See? Completely different. Completely different. Look at the tomato. Look. Look. Completely different. These are the little plummy tomatoes. Completely different from the tomatoes in the store, guys. Look. Can you imagine? So what are we eating? Do you think they put color in our tomato that we're eating from the store?